Imagine the aroma of a perfectly baked pizza. Its crust, golden and leopard-spotted, ready in just 60 seconds. This NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven with 360-degree rotating pizza stone makes this dream a reality, transforming your backyard, patio, or campsite into a pizzeria. Whether you're hosting a lively outdoor party, enjoying a cozy family dinner, or embarking on a camping adventure, this portable pizza oven delivers restaurant-quality results with unmatched ease. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the NutriChef Pizza Oven is a must-have for pizza enthusiasts, outdoor cooks, and anyone craving authentic crispy pizza at home. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and why this oven is the ultimate addition to your culinary arsenal. Solving common pizza-making challenges. Pizza lovers know the struggle. Home ovens rarely reach the high temperatures needed for that perfect, crispy crust. Uneven heat distribution often leaves you with soggy centers or overcooked edges. The NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven tackles these issues head-on. Its 360-degree rotating pizza stone ensures even baking, eliminating hot spots, and delivering consistent, professional-grade results. The adjustable heat control dial lets you fine-tune temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for Neapolitan-style pizzas with airy, charred crusts. Plus, its rapid 60-second cooking time means you can churn out pizzas for a crowd without long waits, making it ideal for parties or family gatherings. Why choose the NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven? This isn't just another outdoor cooking gadget. It's a thoughtfully designed, high-performance tool that elevates your pizza game. Here's why the NutriChef stands out. Lightning-fast cooking. Cooks a 12-inch pizza in just 60 seconds, perfect for quick meals or feeding a hungry crowd. Even heat distribution, the 360-degree rotating pizza stone with a removable handle ensures every slice is perfectly baked with no uneven spots. Customizable temperature control. The adjustable heat control dial and L-shaped main burner maintain consistent temperatures up to 932 degrees for precise cooking. Portable and compact design, measuring 25.2 by 16.1 by 14 inches with foldable die-cast aluminum legs and detachable components, it's easy to transport and store. Durable and weather-resistant. Built with a cold-rolled carbon steel shell and a durable rain cover, this oven withstands outdoor elements for year-round use. Easy setup and cleanup. One-touch gas electrolytes ignition and a removable pizza stone make setup and cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort. Eco-friendly materials, constructed with sustainable materials, it's a guilt-free choice for environmentally conscious cooks. Complete pizza oven package includes a pizza peel, rotating pizza stone, and regulator with hose for a hassle-free cooking experience. Benefits that make a difference. Restaurant-quality pizza, get crispy, leopard-spotted crusts like a pro. Versatile cooking, great for pizzas, flatbreads, veggies, and more. Portable and easy to use, lightweight, foldable, and perfect for any outdoor setting. Who is this pizza oven perfect for? The NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven is designed for a wide range of users, pizza enthusiasts, those who crave authentic Neapolitan or New York-style pizza with minimal effort, outdoor adventurers, campers, tailgaters, and RV travelers who want gourmet meals on the go, home entertainers, hosts looking to impress guests with quick, delicious pizzas at parties or barbecues, families, parents seeking fun, interactive cooking experiences that kids and adults will love, eco-conscious cooks, those who prioritize sustainable materials and durable, long-lasting equipment. Why now is the time to buy? With summer barbecues, fall camping trips, and holiday gatherings on the horizon, the NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven is the perfect investment for year-round outdoor cooking. Its affordable price point, compared to premium models like Uni or Gosni, offers incredible value without sacrificing quality. The included pizza peel stone and regulator hose mean you're ready to cook right out of the box. Don't settle for subpar home oven pizzas. Elevate your culinary game with a tool that delivers professional results in minutes. Final thoughts. A must-have for pizza enthusiasts. The NutriChef Outdoor Pizza Oven with 360-degree rotating pizza stone is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a gateway to unforgettable culinary experiences. Its fast cooking time, even heat distribution, and portable design make it a standout choice for pizza lovers, campers, and home entertainers. With durable construction, eco-friendly materials, and a complete pizza-making kit, this oven is built to impress. Don't miss out on the chance to create restaurant-quality pizzas in your backyard or on the go. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.